Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to do very important topic that is modal verbs. जैसे कि हमने पहले की क्लासेस में किया था what are verbs? Verbs are the action words. So जो भी verbs हैं we further divide them into main verbs and helping verbs. I hope this topic is clear to you. If it's not clear you can watch the video again on verbs. So I explained you that helping verbs can further divided into modal helping verbs and non-modal helping verbs. So in the previous video, I explained you about non-modal helping verbs that is are, was, were, has, have, had. So we have done that in so much detail. But today, in today's video, I will explain you about modal helping verbs. What are modal helping verbs and how we can use them in the sentences. So today we are going to discuss about can and can't. Otherwise, there are so many modal verbs that you will do in your further classes. Can, can't, will, shall, may, might, must. There are so many. But in this video, we are going to do two modal verbs, that is can and can't, in detail. So फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट नो मॉडल वर्ब्स होते क्या हैं. मॉडल वर्ब्स होते हैं जो that are also kind of helping verbs, that are the part of helping verbs, that are not the. So whenever you will get an exercise to circle the helping verbs and underline the main verb, you will always circle model verbs also, because this is the part of helping verbs. So now here let's come to the can. What is can? Can क्या है? When you wanted to say that you can do anything, you able to do something. Can is able to do something. The meaning of can is that you are able to do something. जब आप कुछ कर सकते हो. Can you tell me what you can do? Like I can read, I can write, I can fly? No. So you cannot say I can fly. That is wrong. So whatever you can do, you are able to do. Then you can say I can read, I can write. So the thing is, you will say firstly subject, then can, then first form of verb. Like we write here, she can swim. But you will never use s or es like we used with the verbs, few of the verbs, like I explained you in subject verb agreement. Don't get confused with that. So हम एस वर्ब के साथ एस और एस नहीं लगाएंगे यहाँ पे. यू विल सिंपली यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विद वर्ब. सो यू विल राइट शी कैन स्विम. दैट इज करेक्ट. दिस इज रॉन्ग. शी कैन स्विम्स इज रॉन्ग हियर. सो दिस इज, आई होप कैन इज क्लियर. कैन मीन्स जो आप कर सकते हो. यू विल ऑलवेज यूज कैन फॉर दैट. इफ यू कैन स्विम, यू कैन से आई कैन स्विम, आई कैन वॉक, I can talk. So whatever we can do, that for that we will say can. Now next is can't. First of all you must know that can't is the contraction form of cannot. Cannot. Okay, cannot को हम contraction form में can't कह देते हैं. इसकी short form है can't. So in this way you can write it. So here its meaning is not able to do something. जब आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जैसे कि can you fly? No. So you will say I can't fly. So जो आप नहीं कर सकते, for that you will say can't. I can't fly. A fish can't walk. Fish चल नहीं सकती. So you will say fish can't walk. So in this way, when something or someone cannot do anything, is not able to do something, then you will use can't. Now let's do an activity. So I hope can and can't is clear to you. Can means जो आप कर सकते हो, and can't means जो आप नहीं कर सकते हो, जो कोई भी नहीं कर सकता. So now I will speak few of the sentences, and that is true that you know that it can do that. So you will show the thumbs up, and अगर वो नहीं कर सकते, if you think it cannot do, then you will show thumbs down. So let's start the activity. So the first is a bird can fly. Yes, show the thumbs up. You can type in the comment section also your thumbs up. Like if it is up, you can thumbs up. You can just share the emoji. So the first is a bird can fly. Yes, very good. A fish can walk. A fish can walk. Yes, share your thumbs. Very good. A girl can read. A man can drive. A cat can read a book. Yes, very good. So I will surely check your thumbs up if you have shared in the comment section. So I hope you are now, it's clear to you what is can and how to use can and can't. Now comes to the practice exercise. Now here you will tell me where you can use can and where you can use can't in this. A cat dash fly. Now tell me a cat can fly or a cat can't fly. You have to fill according to it. Just write your answer. A cat can't or just yes. So I'm writing here answer also by myself so that you can match your answers with it. Yeah, a cat can't fly. Cat nahi fly kar sakti. So you will write can't here. You dash use a pencil to write. Yes, what you will write here? Can or can't? आप use कर सकते हो pencil के नहीं कर सकते? Yes, you can. So you will say you can use a pencil to write. Fish dash swim. Fish swim कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकती? Yes, fish can swim. A baby can drive a car. एक बेबी छोटा सा बेबी कार ड्राइव कर सकता है. A fish, sorry, a baby can drive or not? Can't drive. Yes. I hope your answers are correct. So match your answers. If it is correct, just give this is the clapping for you. Okay. And very good. So now the concept of can and can't is clear to you. Now I hope you will not do any mistake in this exercise. Now see you in the next video. That's all for today.